Welcome to the Wizard of Investment channel. Today we have an informative video you can't afford to miss. But before we dive into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any updates. Now, without further ado, let's get into the main topic. As we usually do, in September, we focus our magnifying glass on the American CPI and core CPI to understand how inflation is moving and, more importantly, how it might affect the markets. The Fed will decide how to act based on these indicators, adjusting interest rates according to the results. These indicators have already reached levels not seen in years, exceeding 5.5% in the United States. However, inflation has continued to make its presence felt in an economy that has proven to be much more resilient than expected, particularly on the consumption side. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has always been promoted as a hedge against inflation, but the recent bear market has reduced BTC's performance compared to other hedge assets, especially in the short term. This is all the more reason to look at the new data and interpret BTC's movements accordingly. These figures, expected to increase by 3.6% on an annual basis, CPI, and 4.3% for consumer prices, core CPI, have essentially met expectations. In the immediate term, the crypto market does not seem to be reacting with sharp movements, and Bitcoin's sideways movement may continue until the next milestone, which is the meeting with the Fed. However, the Fed is not expected to make any changes to interest rates if things remain this way. To provide some general context, it's worth noting that the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones all dropped by nearly 0.2% on the day, as did Asian and European markets, possibly due to weakness in the technology sector. Don't forget to support our channel. If you're enjoying the content we're sharing today, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to the Wizard of Investment channel. What is CPI? Here are a couple of lines to briefly explain what the Consumer Price Index, CPI, is. The CPI is a data point composed of a basket of goods and services purchased by American households. These items vary widely, ranging from food and beverages to transportation, medical care, and more. This number reflects changes in consumer spending, thus allowing for the evaluation of the impact and evolution of inflation. The core CPI, on the other hand, excludes energy costs. The Federal Reserve also relies on the Consumer Price Index for its decisions, especially during delicate periods like the current one. Thank you so much for joining us in this informative video on the Wizard of Investment. We hope the provided information has been helpful and insightful. If you want to stay up to date with the latest financial news and investment insights, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.